Just want to know the plan and how we're going to unfold this.
The plan is to actually equip our police officers, body and uniform, to be able to wear body cameras, and then to deploy them out to the community, so when they engage people, things can be recorded.
So, Mr. Mayor, how many folks we have now with body cameras? I know we did appropriate some money, maybe almost $1 million before, and so we ought to have a number now. How many would this serve?
That's a great question. Don't have the detailed information in front of me, but you have the contract in front of you, Mr. President?
Oh, we can look at it. I'm going to ask Chairman Williams, do you want to speak to this, Rennie, or while?
Yeah, I think, Mr. President, that Assistant Chief Treadaway came to Public Safety and shed some light specifically on this grant. This grant, which is a little bit over $250,000 from the DOJ, would allow us to, and I don't know Mr. Hoyt's question about the exact number of officers that have cameras, obviously, but this would allow us to purchase more of the latest generation that will allow the technology is much better, and it will allow.
So this be an upgrade then?
Yes, it will allow them to purchase the latest version of body cameras. Yes, sir.